Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have a dustpan and I will pour something with my split cup on the dustpan and I will kind of pleat it. I will do a pleated dustpan pour today. And I will use those leftover paints. I have some white, some gold, some magenta, turquoise and 2 blues. And I will add this darker blue here, and then I will pour a little bit of the lighter one in there too, because I don't have a lot of this one. Or maybe it will be enough. Let's add a little bit of this sky blue light on top. And some turquoise. And magenta. Oop! Almost throw it. This won't be okay. Gold and white. And I will pour this gold here. Okie doke, so doke. I will just pour this white just to wet the canvas a little bit. It will not be a flow extender or something, just to wet my canvas. I will just add a little more gold here on this part. This looks very nice. Okie doke. So let's tilt that out. really not sure what to think about this. But kind of like it. Interesting one. I will leave it to dry. So let me take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up of the wet results. I'm pouring this on Friday, the day that you are watching the video, so the dried results will be on my Monday video. I like it in a way, but next time I want to do it just this direction and then turn it over to, you know, get some different lines, or how can I say, different lines in different ways, not just one way, or maybe even stop and do it the other way. So yeah, I will definitely explore this technique a little more. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned on Monday for the dried result and another experiment. And see you on the next one. Have a nice weekend. Bye.